What up, everybody? We got another quick unboxing and a quick little review for y'all. We got another backpack today, but today it's a different company. So here it is right here. It is in a small little package. Comes from Amazon, so there will be an affiliate link down in the description below. That will not charge you any extra money, but it will give me a little kickback. So the name of this company, I don't know exactly how to pronounce it, but it's Zomake. So I don't know, Zomake, I don't know how you say that. Sorry, I probably just butchered that, but hey, check it out. This is a tiny little bag, so let's get right into it, show y'all the unboxing. So this just comes in a box from Amazon, or comes in a package from Amazon. Take it out the bag. So this is cool, it folds up in itself, so it's like a little package. You got a little zipper, got the branding right there, get the backpack, that's a picture of the backpack. That's pretty neat. Got a little handle right there. So let's get into this. So this is what it looks like. So that's cool. It actually folds into itself. So you unfold it. So on Amazon, this is called the Zomake, whatever it's called. Lightweight packable backpack that's 30 liters, and it's made for hiking. So it's a hiking backpack. So that's pretty cool. Here's the back. You got the straps. Got a little chest strap here. And I will put it on in a minute for y'all to show y'all what it looks like. Got the clip. Of course, it's got the little whistle there for y'all. Yeah, this is pretty neat how it folds into itself. So this is the flap that it folded into. So you just zip this back up on the front. Just like that. So it's a pretty small little backpack. It's not that big. So we're gonna see how many pockets does this thing have. Of course, it's got the big pocket on top, like all book bags do. So here we go. It's a pretty big pocket, as you can tell, and then inside that pocket you actually have another little pocket here. It is not Velcro or anything, it's just an open pocket, and that's about it that's going on the inside. It's just open. That's all it is. Pretty simple, pretty explanatory there. Sometimes simplicity is key. Then you have another zipper right here on the front. It goes across the front side, so we got a little pocket. Oh, I just zipped it up. So yeah, this is just a pocket here. There's nothing inside of the pocket. It's just an open pocket. Got the little branding hit right here. Got a little reflector right there. And then this pocket on the front. So this is the pocket I just showed you that actually it folds up into. So if you look at it from the front, it's just another big pocket. There's no other compartments inside. So that's 1, 2, 3 pockets, and yeah, so that's all the pockets. You also have a water bottle mesh pocket on each side. So on both sides, you have this. It's always great. I like when it has two, one on each side, so you can put more than one in there. Especially when you're hiking, you know you got to carry some water with you, some electrolytes. So that's gonna be good for you. It also has these straps that go across the side of it. So these are good if you have a lot of stuff in here and you want to tighten it down to make it kind of smaller. You can use these straps. They tighten up or they loosen, and then you can unbuckle them as well. So that's it. We have the chest strap, and then there's no strap at the bottom that goes around your waist, but honestly you don't need it. With a bag this size, it's a smaller bag, you're not gonna be putting too much stuff in here, so you don't really need that strap. But yeah, that's pretty much all the compartments of the bag. It's a nice little bag, super great price. Check it out, the link in the description below. You can get it on Amazon. But we are going to try this on for y'all and show y'all how it fits. Boom, so here's the bag. I shoved a pillow in here to fill it out for you so you can see more of what it looks like when it's full. There we go. So this is the front. We're gonna put it on like a normal book bag. Of course, your straps you can loosen or tighten like always. So if you like to wear it lower, that's kind of what it looks like. I like to wear mine higher, so I'll tighten it up like that. So this is from the back. This is what it looks like. From the side. And then from the front, you got the chest strap right here. I like how it's orange. I like that little orange hit. Because it's the only thing that's a different color on the whole book bag. So I like that. Buckle it in there. You can tighten it up. And of course you got your little whistle. So if you're out in the woods and you get lost, got a little whistle. That's nice to have. You got 2 clips right here that you can clip extra things on. So if you have like a carabiner or anything you need to hook on there with some extra stuff, you can. Any camera equipment, anything like that. So yeah, this is it. Actually, feels really good on my bag. It's a good size. It's on the smaller end of a book bag. So if you're just packing for yourself, or if you're just going for a little day trip and you don't need a lot of hiking stuff, this would be great for just a one-day trip. If you're gonna hike somewhere and back in the same day, you don't need too much stuff in there. So that's great. You can also use this bag for literally anything else. It could be a nice little gym bag for you. It could be just a work bag, carry your laptop and stuff back and forth to work. That would be great. You can even use it for school if you're in school. So yeah, check it out. Super great price. Link in the description below. Shout out to Zomake. Sorry if I'm butchering that. Shout out to that company. They sent me this free of charge. They are not going to see this video before I post it. So these are my true opinions, my true first impressions of the backpack. So yeah, that's it. Side. Y'all go check them out. Link in the description below.